This demo will take you through how to upgrade the classic aquarium to use Pro features. First, set up the underlying classic version by adding the employee column to the fish field. Add the sales score measure to the size field. In the case of negative scores, the fish will float upside down. Add the office location measure to the school field. This is the first of the Pro features. To unlock the Pro features, add an unlock key in the Formatting tab. You can get a license by following the Get a License link on the aquarium's pop-up. Add the Number of Opportunities column to the Y-axis field. This will control the height of the fish. Add the Lead to Opportunity conversion rate measure to the Fish Speed field. This will control the swim speed of the fish. Aquarium Pro has 3 themes to choose from: Classic, Seafloor, and Dusk. Control the fish type for each office location from the School Formatting tab. Seafloor and Dusk both contain 5 fish types: round, triangle, shark, rectangle, and whale. There are many other customizable formatting options, such as the Y-axis. You can control the minimum and maximum values, interval, and more. Explore the other options available to you under the Formatting tab to customize your Aquarium Pro.